So, this is my first video. Today we're at, I forgot the name of this place. Caldermeade Farm and Cafe. So, today we're going to go look at the cows, maybe get a milkshake and some cheese. Before we go and have a look at the cows, I want a little favor. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. Now let's get into it. Deer.
I said George's mum Lisa can come.
Look, guys.
Doesn't want to be touched.
I overstepped my boundaries.
There's 1, 2, 3.
I was just kidding. Come on, I won't touch you.
Another one.
No, I'll come back there. You won't touch me.
4. One's a goat, though.
There comes a goat.
One's a goat. Can you guess? Yep, it's the black one.
You want to do something?
Hey, you're greedy.
Wow.
You're greedy. That's enough from you.
The others are all deer. See? That one has horns. These two don't have horns yet.
Is it a goat?
Oh no, I just. Well, no, I was like, I was like.
Little antlers.
Yeah, little antlers. So, let's move on.
Move on.
And for you, that'll just be 5 seconds.
Oh, I love it.
Go.
Hey everyone, we're at the llamas. Or alpacas, I don't know. I may love animals, but I don't know what it is.
Just keeping their distance, aren't they? Who's coming this way?
There's a black
Another
one
one.
and there's one right in there.
Mm.
See it? Yeah, it's right there.
Let's go. Crystal?
Hey look, it's a giant cow. I don't remember what it's called, guys.
It's a Highland cow, I think. Very cute.
I thought he looked like a bull.
I think he's a bit hot.
And
Can
go
you
in
see him? Can you see him puffing and panting?
Yeah, but he can go in there.
He's got all his woolly fur. I think he's from Cold. He's originally from
Let's move
Cold
on to the nursery.
To the nursery.
Yep.
Go.
Hey guys, look. This goat is so cute. Is this a kid?
I
Put
think
it in the
so.
comments below. He's really cute. The others are over there. But,
Oh, look at the little calves. Look at the little calves.
yeah,
They're
guys,
so young.
look at the tiny little cows. They're called calves. And baby goats are called kids.
He's having a little scratch.
Their bums are very dirty in their tails.
Hmm.
Hey look, there's a little robin. Or whatever. There are a lot of these little birds. There are little calves over here.
All those beautiful, beautiful big brown eyes. And those beautiful
There are none in the
noses.
There are none in the next style, so that's why we only have 2 cows, because they'll get really big and then they'll go with the rest of the cows. This is where the baby cows go. They're really, hey, look, we have big chickens and then chicken.
I don't know if anyone can hear you, Crystal.
Okay. We got some big fluffy chickens! And we have some normal big...
Do you know what any of those chickens are called?
No.
Well, that big black one,
Yeah?
that's an Australorp. And you know the other one. And the little fluffy guys, what is? Silky chickens.
Ooh, what's that?
I'm not sure. Speckled hen? I don't know. I made that up. Oh, someone's got an egg just in the middle, right near the feeder.
Oh,
Oops, a
these
days.
guys have got an egg.
Not in a proper place.
And then there's one with a green. And then there's this one looks like a rooster.
I think he might be a rooster.
We rabbit.
And what have you got in
There are
here?
rabbits. Look, guys, there are rabbits. There's a big black one right there. There's a small black one in there. You can't really see him. There's a little brown one. There's a black and white one with like a little bit of black. And then there's another little brown one next to the other brown one. Like there's like one that looks like a hazel, and there's one that kind of looks like a bronze. And right in the corner, you can barely see him because he blends in with the floor.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Yep, see? He's right over there in the corner. He's just chilling. He's just chilling. Hey everyone, we're here at the Geese little pond. I'm not supposed to be on this rock. Okay, come on. There's oh, look, there's a dog. There's some giant ones of goose over here. Look at these big gooses and ducks. Is this one a lot? Oh, these guys are definitely gooses. there are some over there. Oh, no. There's just some gooses over there. Is that a duck? What is that?
In the water. It looks like a duck in the water, maybe. Yeah.
And then there's a grey goose, another grey. Jesus.
There he comes.
Oh, look. He's gonna eat me. So there's a grey one. Three grey ones. One a lot white. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. And there's two white ones. They're very loud. They look like giant ducks. These things have teeth on their tongues. They have teeth on their tongues, guys.
You know, in some places that they use as guard dogs, apparently they're really good guard dogs.
They are.
They're not dogs, they're geese.
They're very fierce.
And very noisy. You know why? Because if someone comes and tries to sneak in and everyone's asleep, they make all the noise and wake everybody up like alarms. Yeah.
Are these guys supposed to be here? Hey guys, right now we're going to go into here and order something to eat. I'm obviously going to get a milkshake with straight cow's milk or just some goat milk. I've never had one because this is the first time I've been here. But soon, right now we can't. We're going to go in
Let's have a look.
and we'll have a look. We might not be able to film in there.
We'll see.
Well, how about we just like edit the part where we
Okay, look what they got found. They got some peach crumbles. Ooh, ice cream.
filming. They have a lot of stuff here. Hey guys, right now we're in the restaurant, so sorry if I'm speaking a little too softly. My mum just ordered this cake. It's orange and what nut is it?
Orange and almond.
Orange and almond, and I haven't had any. My mum ate all this, but it was a tiny slice, so it's not that much. And right now we're going to let me try it. It's so hard. Like, you guys don't, I can't express how hard that is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's good. So, everyone, we just got our drink. I'm not eating it, I'm eating the whipped cream that's spilt. See, look at all that right there. Look at the bottom. And then there's the whipped cream. We finished our cake, and this is my mum's. She's actually filming the camera right now. I'm gonna try both of them. Not at the same time, that would taste disgusting. I'm gonna try mine first. 3, 2, 1. Good. That is I nearly said disgusting. That is delicious. Now I'm gonna try my mom's. That is delicious too. But I have one thing about my mom's. They kind of just taste like chocolate milk with whipped cream. Sorry, Mom. See you later when we go to see the cows. Hi guys. Right now they're getting ready to milk the cows.
They're all coming in.
Yeah, there's some over there. Some are just tan. Some are dark brown. Some are dark brown and black. Some are tan and black. There are no fully black cows though. And there are some just fully tan.
Do you know how many of the cows they've got on their farm?
No, I think at least 1,000.
No, 500.
500 cows. I got half right.
They have 500 cows.
Yeah, that's a lot of milk.
Yep, a lot of milk.
They make a lot of stuff with milk. They give samples of milk. They make milkshakes. Everyone loves their milkshakes, so that they need a lot of milk. And soon they're going to have 502 because there are 2 baby calves.
There are baby calves.
So soon they're going to have 502 and more. Soon they might have 1,000 cows.
No.
They'll need a bigger paddock.
I'm going to turn this off and we'll wait till the cows actually come in.
Yep, bye.
To
They're
load the
starting
cows
to
up.
line these cows up.
See their feet coming in the one we're on the other side.
Uh-huh.
And this thing is being turned around.
Uh-huh, so they can milk the cows. I wonder what those hoses do. I'm guessing they milk the cows. Are they automatic hands that go dun 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 dun? Do the cows come in here? Like in this middle space?
No, I think you're on the big round thing that turns if it's turning around. See how it's turning around?
Oh yeah, they get on the big round thing.
Let's go upstairs and see if we can see better.
See how they're hooking up those little hoses to the cows? That's sucking out all the milk. There's still at least 100 cows to do.
They're all orderly. They're going in one at a time. Look, they know exactly what to do.
Yep. They can do it fast enough.
You see what they're doing? See what the cows are doing?
No.
They're
Really?
eating. They've got food.
Oh yeah, they do. See those little food troughs? It's a little hard to see them.
It is. You've got it.
And there's some water over here to like wash like the gear stuff. I don't know. Still a lot of cows. Look how bright that cow is.
They're washing their udders
Yep.
and then
Because they're like sitting all in like the She's putting them on as
them on.
quick as she can because it goes slow, but still, you need great concentration to do this job. I'd love to do any animal job. Oh, they're pushing. Naughty cows.
They want the food. But it's still in a way, but they can only get in one at a time.
See that really black one back there? It looks like a horse. My mom's
They
focusing
settle
on
down
this.
because they're all a bit more relaxed down there.
How can we? Is this 5? Hang on. Are these 500 slots?
No.
Hmm?
Count how many. But I think that what happens.
Is they go round and round for.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just.
It was a.
I didn't get that. That
Aw.
was a poo. Was that a cow doing a big poo?
Yeah. And there's a snotty cows over there. Oh, one's got a horn. I'm kidding. It's just something attached to its ear. We'll see if we can get another poo one. Mum, film it this way.
There's more cows.
There's so
All
many.
those cows gonna get on.
Yep.
They all want to get on.
Can male cows be added?
No, milked, no.
So are these all females?
They are all female cows.
Then how do they have baby cows?
They have their babies, and that's what makes their milk come in. They're allowed to feed them for a little while, and then their babies get taken away, and they keep milking them to make them keep producing milk. Let's see, we've nearly gone the whole way round.
See that spot over there, guys? That's where that cow pooped. The last cow right there, that's where it pooped.
Oops. I think, see, we're nearly halfway round here. Look, on that side.
See the cow all the way over there.
Yeah, I reckon, I'm not sure, see if I'm right when they come round. Once they go a whole way round, I think they've finished their milking, they can come back off, which means it makes more room empty so that the
Other cows can get on.
other cows can get on.
The cows at the back don't really care because they can't really smell it. Well, see it, so they don't really care.
I'm wondering what everything means, to be honest. So she was just checking some of her udders.
Maybe she's checking for milk.
And I think she's checking for milk because they've all got milk.
Yeah, look how big their udders are. Yeah, maybe. To see if any cows are sick or anything.
Yeah.
Hopefully that cow doesn't poop on that cow's face.
I think the ones that have lines in have got marks on them. Interesting how they've got marks on them.
I wonder how this is gonna go.
Now that we've done a full circle, they're turning around.
Is this one good?
We're watching them all walking
I'm gonna
past.
try and see if I can get them walking in.
See, as they're walking out,
Got it.
what's happening, Crystal? As they're walking out, it's making the other stables free, so more cows can go in.
Yeah. Let me try and get one actually coming out. I don't want to see all that milk.
Yeah.
See guys, look at all that milk in that bin over there. Well, it's not a bin, it's a jug. Look at all that
Yeah,
milk.
it's getting pumped through those pipes.
Yeah. We're nearly all the way around.
We are nearly all the way around. We'll see what happens when they go all the way around.
Maybe there's a gate over there because there's a little street over there.
Yeah.
Maybe they go into there. And there are more cows over there and over there and over there and over there. They have so many cows. They go, look at that poor
I wonder why it
cow.
stopped. Will she stop it?
Hey everyone. there's just a big puddle of wee there. Don't look at that. But yeah, that's a problem.
And there's like a little nursery. I think these cows are going to have babies.
These ones right here, they have a lot of milk and a lot of big bellies. So these might be the grown-up. There's a little cow nursery, and this might be the big cow nursery.
Well, they're waiting to have the babies, I think.
Yep. Ew. Ew, ew, ew.
Oh, it's getting smellier.
Oh, guys, we're gonna have to go. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button, not buddy. I'm so glad you guys don't have smell vision. It's getting worse and worse. We're gonna move.
Right.
So, see ya. Hope you enjoy. If you did, comment down below. Also, comment down below what we should do for our next video. Peace.